China declared victory over the Wuhan virus 2 months ago. Congratulatory messages were shared during sessions of the National People's Congress and the Chinese People's Political Consultative Congress. 2 months on, the number of active cases in China is rising on a daily basis. Xinjiang has become the new hotspot. New cases have been reported in its capital. So can China really call itself virus-free? Our next report has the answer.
Workers are back in factories. Trains are back on platforms. Ports are filled with containers. The battle against a homemade virus has been won. Everything is business as usual. And China is virus-free. Or is it? Time for some bitter truths. This is Xinjiang, a province better known for the Uyghur genocide. It is now a coronavirus hotspot. A new wave of cases is being reported. Urumqi is the capital of Xinjiang. It is home to 3.5 million people. At least 5 of them have tested positive in the last 24 hours. The percentage sure is minuscule, but don't forget that the Wuhan virus is highly contagious. Numbers double in no time and disaster is just a case away. China knows the effects of its homegrown virus. It is no wonder that Urumqi has been turned into a battle zone. At least 600 flights have been cancelled. Air traffic has been slashed by 80%. Metro services have been suspended. Shuttle buses to the airport have been cut off. Bus services in the neighboring districts have been shut. There is a time bomb ticking in Xinjiang. It is located somewhere here. At least 1 million Uyghurs are detained in these concentration camps. What happens in case of a cluster outbreak? It is not impossible. 73% inmates at an Ohio prison tested positive earlier this year. Peru's prisons have been a virus hotbed. Will Xinjiang be an exception? A virus outbreak in these camps could spell the death sentence. There is more. What is happening in Xinjiang is just a portion of the crisis. A Worldometer tally claims there are 259 active cases in China. That is as of July 17th. Let's compare this to previous months. On June 17th, there were 252 cases. On May 17th, 86. And on April 17th, 66 cases. Does the graph point to a virus-free China? We will leave you with some homework. If 17 of these 259 cases are in Xinjiang, where are the remaining 242? Bureau Report, WION, World is One.